Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a very cute and beautiful naming bracelet. To make this bracelet you will need these products. The link is in the description box. You can check out the products in the website, the design card. So let's get started. First of all, we'll need this golden brass wire. Take a pincer and fold it like this from both the ends to make a loop. The length of this wire is depends on your circumference of the wrist, so take it accordingly. You need to take around half of your wrist circumference. Now put these alphabets. I took the friend name. You can take your name or your friend's name if you want to gift anyone. Now make another loop like this. Now next you have to take this elastic transparent wire. Now we had to make a knot, around 2 or 3 knots in this loop. So insert it into the loop and tie a 2-3 knots. We need to insert these colorful beads onto this elastic wire. I took 3 colors, that is red, green and white, but you can take according to your taste, whatever you like. I'll put 2 pairs of each. So first I'm inserting this 2 red beads, then 2 white beads, and then 2 green beads. Likewise, I'll insert all the beads onto this elastic wire. Make sure to bend this brass wire a little bit according to your wrist size. Now after it's half done, just insert this elastic wire onto this loop and tie a knot. Just leave a little bit elastic wire to make it flexible. Don't make it too much tight. And then we'll make another layer likewise. So insert these beads again. You can choose different manners also, like one by one you can insert all the beads, or 2 pairs or 3 pairs, whatever you like. It all depends on your choice. Now it's completed, and I'll give another knot onto the another end of this loop. Around 2 to 3 knots I have to give here. Again you have to make it loose, okay? And then just put a bit of transparent glue here on the knot so that it will not open. It will get fixed to the both sides, and to the loop also here a little bit. Make sure to use this transparent glue only, because it will not visible later on after it is dried up. Let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then till then we will make a few loops. So take a earring post, insert 1 bead and make a loop like this by turning it. So in 3 colors I prepared this loop, and now we need to take this ring connector, open it with the help of pincer and insert these beads from the loop we had made from the earring post, and now insert it onto the loop part of the bracelet. In both the loops we have to insert these ring connectors. So this is how it will look. You can put more ring connectors onto this loop to give it a little bit funky look. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you like this easy bracelet tutorial. If you want to buy these products, do check out the link in the description box below and get 10% off on your purchase using my code, that is sewingisfun10. I will be uploading more such videos in the coming days, so do let me know any specific pattern you want to learn in the comment section. See you in the next video.